Deep wells are dark, dusty, and the terrain is complex. Traditional manual inspection has high risk, many blind spots, and low efficiency. It is the core problem of mine safety production. Technology empowers underground operations. Intelligent inspection breaks the game. A new iteration of the special inspection drone for mines. Replace manual high-risk downhole operations. Open a new model of unmanned mine inspection. Suitable for underground narrow roadway and complex airflow environments. Drone with high-definition camera and intelligent sensing system. Support autonomous flight and accurate obstacle avoidance. Global coverage roadway. Rock wall, pipeline, and ventilation equipment core area. Real-time return high-definition monitoring screen. Intelligent identification of rock wall cracking, pipeline damage, and equipment abnormalities. Hidden dangers such as excessive gas concentration. Full data retention and traceability. Make downhole risks all-round controllable and nowhere to hide. Unmanned operation throughout the process. Avoiding underground safety risks at the source. All-round protection of personnel safety. At the same time, break through the limitations of manual inspection. Significantly improve inspection efficiency. Reduce mine operation and maintenance costs. Intelligent patrol deep well, guard peace. Smart technology empowers mines. Create a new paradigm of safe, efficient, and unmanned underground inspection.